Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, today we are going to discuss conversion methods in wrapper classes. So first of all, what are these conversion methods and what are the conversion methods in different wrapper classes, and we'll try to implement that in the form of a program. Right, so coming to conversion methods in wrapper classes. Okay, so first of all, coming to conversion methods. So conversion methods means converting one data type value to another data type value. Okay, converting one data type value to another data type value is known as conversion method. Okay, so now coming to the wrapper classes. All wrapper classes provides conversion methods, and these conversion methods converts string to numeric types. They will convert string data to numeric data type. Okay, and these methods are available in corresponding wrapper classes. So these methods are available in corresponding wrapper classes. So what are those methods? We'll try to understand one by one, but we don't have conversion method to convert string to character type. So hence character class does not have conversion method. So we have conversion methods only for numeric types. So numeric types means byte, short, int, long, float, double. So for these only we have conversion methods. We don't have conversion method for character class because we cannot convert string into character. So what are those conversion methods? We'll try to understand now. So the syntax for conversion method goes like this. So the method is parseXxx method. Examples goes like this. We have parse byte, parse short, parse int, parse long, parse float, parse double, and parse boolean. Okay, so except character class, we can convert string into numeric data types. Okay, right. So all these methods are available in respective wrapper classes. So all these methods are available in respective wrapper classes. So we'll try to use this conversion methods, right? So example goes like this, how to use conversion methods. So all these methods are static methods. So they are static methods in respective classes. So static methods can be used directly with class name. Okay, so which can be used directly with class name. For example, let us say that float. So float is a wrapper class dot parse float. So here, what does this XXX stands for? Respective data type. It stands for respective data type. So similarly, float dot parse float. So let us say that we have a salary of an employee in string 15,565.86. So this will be converted. This will be converted to float. Okay. Parse dot float dot parse float. It will be converted to float. Okay. And that will be stored in sal. So float sal. Float sal. So similarly, we can also do something like this. Int. Okay. Val is equals to integer class dot parse int. Okay. So let us say that you have an integer value, something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12,345. So this 12,345 string will be converted into integer and stored in val into variable, right? So similarly, we can also take one boolean value also. Boolean bb is equals to boolean dot parse boolean of true. So here we have true value represented in double quotes. So that will be converted into boolean value. That will be converted into boolean value. So here all these methods are available in respective wrapper classes except the character class, because string cannot be converted to single character. String cannot be converted to single character. Okay, because string is a collection of characters. So multiple characters. String is multiple characters. So multiple characters cannot be converted to single character. So parse float, parse int, parse double. So they will convert its respective string represented value into its corresponding data type value. Right. So we'll try to understand this by verifying with a description of a class using java p hyphen p java dot lang dot integer float boolean. So in boolean we don't have this. Okay, sorry, in character we don't have this because string cannot be converted to single character. So let us check the static method. Okay, so come to the command prompt, go to your working directory, issue the command java p hyphen p java dot lang dot integer. So all wrapper classes are available in java dot lang package. Right. So if we see here, we should have parse int. So parse int is a method which will convert string. So input parameter is string and then return type is also int, and it is a static method. We can use this method directly with class name. So similarly, java dot lang dot float. So here we should have parse float. Okay, right. So this is parse float. Input is string. It will be converted into float. It is a static method. Okay, we can call it with directly with class name. Similarly, java dot lang dot boolean. So in boolean we have parse boolean. Input is string. It will be converted into boolean value. It is also a static method. But the same thing we don't have it in character class, because string is a collection of characters. It cannot be converted into single character. So that is the concern. We don't have parse char. So we have char value, but we don't have parse char in character class. Right. Clear screen. So let us try to implement this in the form of a program. So program to use wrapper classes for storing data using parseXxx method. So take a new page, class. So we'll take the class name as wrapper classes example 3. Right. So public static void main string of args. So let us save this program in our working directory. So take it as wrapper classes example3 dot java. Right. So here first we'll take one integer, one floating, one boolean. So initially I'll take something like string s1 is equals to, okay, 1 2 3. Okay, next we'll take string s2 is equals to 3 2 1. Okay, right. So now I want to perform addition of two strings. So I'll take system dot out dot println s1 plus s2. So let us check what is the answer for this. Okay, right. Come to the command prompt, go to your working directory. Right. So take this as wrapper classes example 3. Compile and run it. So we are getting the answer as 1 2 3 3 2 1, means it is performing string concatenation. Performs string concatenation, combining two strings as a single string. So 1 2 3 3 2 1. So now what we'll do is we'll convert this string into integer. Okay, so using parse int. Okay, so how to do this? So let us take two variables, int a is equals to integer dot parse int of s1. So s1 will be converted into integer 1 2 3. Similarly s2 will be converted into integer 3 2 1. Okay, so now perform a plus b. Okay, so let us perform a plus b. So it will perform integer addition or numeric addition. So a plus b, so 123 plus 321. So we should get the answer as 444. Yes, so this is how we have converted 123 into string, 321 from string into integer and calculated the sum a plus b. So similarly we can also take the second case, s1 is equals to, okay, 15,565.36. s2 is equals to something like 260.35. Okay, right. So let us perform s1 plus s2. So it will perform string concatenation. We should get the answer as 15565.36 26.35. Right, so recompile and run. So this is not a valid addition operation on string containing floating point number. Okay, so simply we'll convert this into float x is equals to float class dot parse float. Pass s1 as a parameter. Okay, so what is that we are doing here? Converts string to float using parse float. Okay, right. So similarly, we'll take y. So convert s2 into float y using parse float. Now we'll perform addition of x plus y. X plus y. So this performs float addition. So in this float addition, we are getting something like total salary. Okay, so let us put this as total salary, which is x plus y. Right, so recompile this and run it. So total salary is 15,591.71. Okay, so rupees dot paisa if it is in Indian currency. So salary plus commission, it is something like total salary of a particular person. So similarly, we will take something like S1 is equals to, okay, true. Okay, so here we'll convert this into boolean. So boolean b is equals to boolean dot parse boolean method of S1, and then finally we'll print system dot out dot println S1. Okay, so here S1 is a string. Okay, right. So we'll take one more also here, S2. S2 is equals to false. Okay, right. So first we'll convert both of them into boolean values, b1, b2, s2. So first print s1 plus s2. Okay, so when we print s1 plus s2, we should get true false as a single string. Compile and run. So true false as a single string. Okay, right. So here, so we cannot perform arithmetic operations on boolean values, so we'll just check it like this: system dot out dot println b1, system dot out dot println b2. Okay, so recompile and run. So it will be printed as true false. So we can verify this by putting a conditional control structure like if b1, so we'll print system dot out dot println, will print it as true value. Okay, right. Else system dot out dot println will print it as false value. Okay, right. So since b1 is true, we'll get it as true value. Recompile and run. Okay, now we'll pass b2 here. So b2, so b2 is false, so it will print else false value. Right. So this is how we are supposed to work with conversion methods in Wrapper classes, which are parseXxx method. Okay, so parseXxx method and XXX stands for respective data type. So conversion methods in Wrapper classes, and all these are static methods. They can be called directly with class name, respective class name. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.